Welcome to VoiceRix, the AI voice calling infrastructure built to power and scale customer conversations. From a single dashboard, teams gain complete visibility into their voice operations in real time. Monitor call activity, success rates, average conversation duration, active agents, and pending interactions. VoiceRix also surfaces alerts and recommendations while providing direct insights into call trends, outbound activity, and conversation outcomes. As you scroll further, the dashboard reveals deeper analytics. Look closely, the hourly call volume heat map highlights peak engagement periods, while monthly trends and recent calls provide complete visibility. Caller details, agent activity, call duration, status, and timestamps, it's all there. Centralized analytics, transparent activity logs. VoiceRix enables businesses to monitor and optimize customer conversations at scale. Next, let's explore the agent's workspace. Manage all your AI voice agents from a single, clean interface. Monitor their performance and access voice settings along with testing capabilities. Need something tailored to your business? Simply click Create Agent and submit your requirements. Your use case, language preferences, voice personality, schedules, and integrations. Our team will build the agent for you. Once your agent is ready, you can preview and switch between voices to perfectly match your brand. Before going live, test the agent in real time, validate responses, and even perform a complete test call to ensure everything works exactly as expected. With VoiceRix, building and validating AI voice agents is simple, flexible, and designed for production scale conversations. Next up, let's explore campaigns. VoiceRix makes it easy to manage AI-powered calling campaigns at scale, monitor active, paused, and completed campaigns all from a centralized workspace. Creating a campaign is simple. Configure campaign details, select an AI agent, connect telephony settings, and upload contact data through a CSV file. Advanced settings provide tight control over concurrency limits, retry policies, schedules, and failure handling rules to ensure efficient execution. Once a campaign is live, VoiceRix provides complete visibility into performance, monitor call runs, analyze outcomes, and download reports for further analysis. Running and paused campaigns can also be updated at any time, giving teams the flexibility to optimize performance without disruption. Next, let's explore lead management. VoiceRix automatically transforms conversations into actionable opportunities. Review qualified leads, callbacks, and appointment bookings, all generated natively by AI agents. Each lead includes valuable insights extracted from conversations, along with scheduled events and next actions. Switching to Calendar View provides a complete overview of appointments and upcoming activities, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Next up, let's explore call history. VoiceRix provides complete visibility into every interaction handled by your AI agents. Browse call records and access vital details, including call type, duration, timestamps, outcomes, and associated agents. Every conversation is automatically transcribed, making it incredibly easy to review discussions between the AI agent and the customer. Need to verify quality? Simply access call recordings and replay conversations whenever needed. With searchable transcripts and recordings, teams can perform quality assurance and continuously optimize customer interactions. Next, let's explore call outcomes. VoiceRix delivers powerful analytics to help teams measure campaign performance. Select a campaign to instantly access detailed metrics, sentiment analysis, and call disposition insights. Track total calls, positive leads, negative interactions, and neutral conversations, all through clean, visual dashboards and sentiment breakdowns. Scroll further to analyze individual call records based on sentiment, duration, and outcomes. Opening a specific call provides detailed performance metrics, recordings, and sharp AI-generated recommendations. Best of all, analytics can be fully customized to focus on the KPIs that matter most to your business. Next, let's explore integrations. VoiceRix seamlessly connects with your preferred telephony providers and communication infrastructure. From the integrations workspace, teams can easily manage multiple providers and configure outbound connections. Adding a provider is simple factorial, and each integration supports multiple phone numbers that can be assigned to specific AI agents and managed centrally. With flexible telephony integrations, VoiceRix ensures reliable connectivity across every single campaign and customer interaction. Finally, before getting started with VoiceRix, organizations are required to complete their company profile and KYC verification. Provide your basic company information, including contact details, website, and address information. Then, upload the required documents, including identification, company registration certificates, and address proof. This quick verification process ensures compliance and unlocks the full, unrestricted capabilities of the platform. Look at the big picture. From intelligent AI agents and large-scale campaign management to lead qualification, call analytics, telephony integrations, and secure onboarding, VoiceRix provides everything businesses need to automate and scale customer conversations. VoiceRix. Speak human, think machine.